Oh, here it is. All right. Today's gonna be a bit boring trying to find out how to use the Places API. I don't know why, but I keep having trouble actually running it. Get this ridiculously long error message. Or well, it's just one error. Repeated several times. Alright, let's see. Okay. I have my API enabled. Cool, have maps and places. Let us try credentials. I'm not sure why it doesn't work. Let's see. So far so good. No, yeah, damn it, there's the errors. God. Yeah. Nope, it doesn't work. It keeps saying that the request is denied because it's an invalid API key. Let's see. I literally created it today. Let's kill it. When I was trying to diagnose this earlier, I thought one thing that was mentioned was like about billing, because I never set that up. I already had this account a long time ago, but I enabled that and still nothing. Maybe I'm just gonna delete everything. Maybe I'll even start a new Google account, whatever. Because it should work, and I've used the Google, I don't know, what do you call it? The suite of APIs, or the Google libraries, I guess you could say. I've used it before. And it worked fine. It was pretty simple and straightforward. But this one's different story. I don't know. So Places API. I always have this thing at the bottom too. How do I add more APIs? Quotas, cool. How do I add more keys? No API keys to display, cool. Oh, let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm going based on this stuff that I found. I'm just going through the documentation that Google has. I was trying to finish this earlier so that I can actually incorporate it into the application. But I just tried to do the demo that they include. It doesn't work. I thought part of it was since I have an M1 Mac, some of the stuff is incompatible at the moment. But I even opened Xcode in Rosetta. Doesn't work. Don't know why. Go to the APIs. Click create. Okay. Let's try this one more time. In the Cloud Console, select or create a Google Cloud project for which you want to add an API key. Go to your page, open credentials. Okay. Already did this, but we're going to do it a third time. See, these are my 3 applications. This is an old one I made, or was making, but then abandoned because it's hard to stick to things sometimes. Alright, let's create another project. By project 19, that sounds great. You have 7 projects remaining. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, we're literally gonna follow those steps. Even though I've already done it, even though I feel like I know what I'm doing, we're gonna do it one more time. Alright, cool. My project 19. I don't think I need that. But let's keep that in the background. Maybe I do need to activate that trial. APIs, go to API overview. Where is the places? Yeah, I want to take advantage of that autocomplete. So when people type in their address, it'll autocomplete. Then you select it. Then I'm golden. And then from there, I think it's the geocoding API that you can give it a range that says from this location, find places to live. That should good range. And then after that, the thing I'm not sure what to do next is, like, now I need to filter it by that. So it'll be curious to see how that's done. I'm not confident about that one. Oh, credentials. Oh, I think they created it. Go to the APIs and services credentials page. Wait, where is it? Wait, hold on. Sorry. Go to, okay. In the Cloud Console, select the creator. Okay, cool. Here we are as that with the selected project. Go to the APIs and services, the credentials page. Go to the credentials page. Just follow this thing exactly. Oh, my project 19. Okay. On the credentials page, click credentials API key. Okay, let's see. Oh, API keys right here. Create credentials, API key. Cool. Using this key by passing it. Okay, cool. Where is, oops. Oh, here it is. All right. It says error, register for API key and insert here, then delete the site. Okay, cool. Let's see what happens now. It should be pretty straightforward. Put in the key, but then I get this giant error right here. Don't know why. Let's see. Oh, wow. It worked. What? Okay, interesting. 0. Awesome. Okay. That is great. What about this full screen on? What is full screen on? D. Disneyland. Okay. Okay. That is exactly what I need. Okay. It wasn't working. I don't know what. I feel crazy. I struggled this, like, I think for the better part of this day. And I just, okay. Sometimes, I guess. Sometimes good things happen. Okay. So Google Places API works. We'll use, let me write this down. Come on, where's like I thought I had a text edit open. There it is. Okay. Google API for autocomplete. Completing addresses. Okay. For autocomplete, that's good. Good. Now, if I'm a user, okay, well, I guess this helps us for 2 reasons. Let's write that down. One reason. It helps us as the user complete our profile page. Profile page helps us as the user complete our profile page when we are inputting our address. So that's step one. That's one good thing of getting it. The second thing that helps us in is oh, getting the range, getting the addresses range, area range, getting the area range of where we want to live. Yeah, okay. Cool. These are good things. So we know for a fact it does number one. But I don't know about the second thing, actually. Because what I was reading earlier was that the geocoding API, you put in the coordinates, I think, and then it'll give you a range of, well, and then I think you put like the radius. Okay. So that's today what we are investigating. Geocoding API, Google Places. Google Places looks good, at least for one thing, which is this thing. And if we're able to get this, we can probably feed it in to the geocoding API, which will help us accomplish our second goal. Perfect. Yeah. Okay, cool. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see. Okay, geocoding. What is geocoding? Can I like make this larger? Hold on. How do you use the reader thing for Safari? Show reader. Where's that? Oh, perfect. Okay. Geocoding is process of converting addresses into coordinates. Cool. We're going to get our address from places. This will turn us into the geographic coordinates to find the address for a given place ID. Before you begin, before you start developing with the geocoding API, review, okay, check. Did that one. Okay, cool. Okay. Over your quota, I don't care. Geometry, location, contain the geocode. Go back up a little bit. I don't care about this. I just want to know if it can do what I want it to do. Geometry contains the following information. Location contains the geocoded latitude, longitude value. For normal lookups, this field is typically the most important. Location type stores additional data about the specified location. Volume values are currently supported. Rooftop. Return result is a precise geocode. Range interpolated indicates the return result reflects an approximation, usually on a road, and interpolated between two precise points, such as an intersection. Generally, returns are unavailable. Okay, interesting. It's an approximate. Okay. Oh, bounds. Stores the bounding box which can fully contain the return result. Note that these bounds may not match the recommended viewport. Okay. It seems that like it'll have the information that we need. Depends on how we feed it, how the request is sent, and then I should be able to, according to what this was saying, I should be able to get what I'm looking for. Let's see. Yeah, and then my results should look something like this, where I would put in, yeah, the bounds. I guess this is the radius. These would be like the actual results. Illinois, United States. All right. Bounding box. Cool. All right. Let's see. Okay. I think I've seen enough. How do you turn off reader mode? Okay. Perfect. Okay. Fuck, that's so bright. Okay. Retrieving an address. First address lookup. Nope, don't care. Now I need to see some examples. It looks like it is what I need. Hold on, let me kill all of these other tabs. Okay, perfect. Get started, get API, get best practices, client libraries, directions, places. Okay, cool. Client libraries, there should be one for iOS, I hope. Let's add in the geocode. Oh, okay. This one it is. Geocode. Convert between addresses in geograph. See. Direction. Travel time and different maps for your website. Get detailed information about, okay. All right, we got this thing, geocode. Do I have to activate like another API key? Kind of hope not. Okay, perfect. That should be enough. So we're done with places for now. What is it? Geocoding API examples. Oh, iOS. I should put iOS or demo. Perfect. All right. Cool. I did this. All right. I don't see anything here. Okay. pretty tired. I don't care about create a map. Select current place. Reference maybe. Oh, samples. Is that it? Really? That's it? I did this thing earlier. But that's this thing. The thing I'm running right now is this file. All right. Java, Python, Go, and Node. I don't want those. Getting more queries that return with the geocoder. I need fast responses, geocoder slow. Interesting. Wonder if that's going to be a thing for a problem in the future. Oh, how do I get the best results with the geocoder using component filtering? Wait, the Places API is expensive. Say that for later too. Oh, interesting. Polite. Synchronize request. Node selection. All right. All right. The good thing is we have access to the API. The question is like, how do you use it? Like, how do I make the request? Like, the user types in their address. I have their address. I know where they live. And then I need to like put it into a function. Where's the list of functions that are available to me to use as the developer? Where is it? What is sample? Oh, sample is this. Lame. Autocomplete. Where is self? Okay, import Google Places. Okay. This extension is used as a workaround to enable as if it were blah blah blah. Okay. Set algebra. Oh. Import Google. Okay, interesting. Maybe it's import geocode. Nope. Okay, interesting. Maybe the geocoding is in here. Get rid of this. Where am I? I'm in the Google Places framework now. Let's see if they have anything. Nope. Let's see. Symmetric. Nope. Contains. Interesting. GMS Places clients. Cool. Nope. Ugh, hate that. Ugh, find place likelihoods. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's nice. Alright. Stop playing around with that. Oh. So here's the client. Oh, this is the client. Fetch place. Look at Face ID. What? Nope. So tired. All right, let's see. Interesting. Okay, did nothing. GMS place field. All right. How do I get to use the geocoding API then? Is it part of the Maps SDK? Because this is a different thing. I don't have this. I'm only doing places. All right. Or maybe I need to import Google Maps. Let's see. Where was I earlier? We'll just mess around here. Import Google Maps. Oh, there's Google Maps. Perfect. Okay. Add the following import statement. Add the following to your blah blah blah. Okay. We did it. Let's pretend we've done that. Actually, I'm just gonna download the demo app. Oh, it's no problem. How are you doing? It's a 3-day weekend. Do anything fun? All right, let's see. Download the code sample. All right. I haven't thought about it before, but sounds fun though. I also feel like they're relatively simple to do. So that could be a fun little weekend project to do as well. Google Maps. Let's see. I need terminal, not that. Okay. Boom. Spit out. CD. What is that thing called? Google Maps. Google Maps -iOS. That should be enough. No. Google Maps.iOS-utils. Oh. CD. There we go. LS. Cool. Alright, download. Go into the folder. Run the command. Alright, let's do this. Pod install. No pod file, really? Did it go in the wrong place? Oh, Swift demo. CD into Swift. Is it around here? Oh, CD into samples. Samples. Swift demo app. Perfect. Now pod install. If you don't have a Google Maps API key, we already have one. Right, cool. Dependencies have been installed. We have the API key. Edit the app delegate Swift. Okay, cool. Right. Let's steal this API key. I hope these things all work. Where is, oh, here it is. This one. I think they said app delegate Swift, right? Go away. Change the key. Bam, perfect. All right. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Edit app delegate Swift. Paste the API key. Build and run the project. Sweet. Build and run. Let's do this. All right, perfect. Okay, so this is, what is this one? What are we following? The Google Maps SDK setup and demo for iOS. Let's see, what else is there? Market clustering, quadri, JSON rendering. All right. Well, I guess let's investigate what these things are. This page describes a marker clustering utility in the SDK by clustering your markers without making the map. Well, I'm not trying to make a map, so I don't want this. What about quad tree? iOS is better than Windows. So like Mac versus PC. I personally do like Mac more. And usually the reason why people say that is because where's the thing? The terminal. Since it's like Unix based, there's so many like not extensions, plugins, utilities. Utilities for Unix that makes developing very easy, like Homebrew. You're able to do these also in Windows, but Mac, it just comes out ready. So this is why people tend to advocate more for Mac. In my opinion, I always think you want the machine for the job. For me, I wanted to do iOS applications and whatnot, so I bought a Mac. You if you want to do iOS, you have to have a Mac. You need a Mac to publish it. Yeah, I think that's the primary reason you need it. Xcode is really nice too, but I believe you can use other editors, text editors. So that's not a requirement, but I'd advocate go Mac. Gives you a lot of options. Versus on Windows, you're restricted to everything but the Mac ecosystem. But why not have it? Oh, I will say if you are interested in machine learning or AI, that I think is more Windows based. That is one small regret I have. Because I bought a Mac hoping I can also do that stuff. But I also noticed AWS offers other products and solutions for that. So I'm hoping I should be covered there. Finding points. Interesting. A quad tree is a data structure useful for finding points near a single point by searching inside an area surrounding the point. This sounds perfect. I think this is exactly what I need. I'm going to use the Places API to get like the... Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. So use the Places API to get the address. Then I'll have the address. Well, this is what all I'm thinking. Like I'm thinking out loud from what I know. I don't know that much about the Google Maps platform, so I could possibly be wrong. Places API is going to help me get the address, feed the address into the geocoding, and feed the geocode into this baby, and then I can get the radius of rooms to search for. What about for someone who wants like cybersecurity? So I want to do cybersecurity. Well, hacking. Well, I actually want to do cybersecurity eventually. In terms of hacking, I don't know. I'm not familiar with it. Python is used for hacking. I feel like you could use Python to hack. Python works with both. Maybe I don't know. I'm leaning Windows, but I don't know. That's just the feeling. Marker clustering, quad tree. Okay, quad tree looks to be what I want. But let's just run through the other guys just in case. I guess also for hacking, I think. I don't know. What type of hacking are you interested in? Hopefully not the illegal kind. Show you how to render geographic data. I'm not interested in geographic, or what do you call that? Rendering geographic data, so don't care. Heat map, that's interesting. Kind of. I mean, cybersecurity is somewhat related to hacking. Honestly, this is gonna be disappointing because it was for me when I first learned about it. Cybersecurity is a lot of math. What the hell is the thing called? Um, is it discrete mathematics? Discrete. Oh, there's a type of math that goes over exactly what cybersecurity was. I forgot. It's either that or linear algebra. Rather than continuous, contrast, graphs and statements and logic, sure. Cybersecurity. Huh. Oh. Oh, see. Oh, wait, no, I think I'm right. How do you, right here. How do you zoom in? Research in discrete math and come on, can I get this right? Concept notation. Oh, this is better. Concept and notation for discrete mathematics are useful in studying and describing objects and problems in computer science. Computer algorithms, so that's like hacking, not hacking 101, but like that's really important for hacking. Cryptography, that is like the security part. Automated theory proof, software development. Unfortunately, cybersecurity and hacking is a lot of math. I mean, it depends if you're trying to research it. It's a lot of math, but that kind of broke my heart a little bit because I want to do cybersecurity. I kind of suck at math, but cryptography is kind of what you want. I think the only coding in cybersecurity is honestly done in research. I haven't heard about it elsewhere. Granted, I'm pretty early in my career, so I'll take everything I say with a grain of salt. But that's cool though. I like cybersecurity. I'm hoping to study and get a master's years from now, not right now. I got out of school last year. I'm not trying to go back right now. Okay. Okay. Places to geocode to this maps general SDK. But how the hell do you use the geocode? That guy's the only thing I'm confused about. App delegate? Oh, this is places. Heat map. That's cool. Let's see. Oops, wrong one. Is this still places one? What happened to the other one? Is it this one? No, this is places. This is SDK. Okay. Wait, what did we say? It was, hold on. We said we wanted quad tree. How do we access the quad tree, peeps? It's available in the utility library. I got this, right? Hold on. Where's the places one? We're gonna get rid of it right now. Cause I keep getting confused. Okay. All right. App delegate. Master view controller. Let's go in there. Swift demo app. Cool. KML. Oh, I don't care about the KML. Oh, cool. Okay. But how do I get the data tree? What is this? Oh. Google Maps SDK for iOS. Okay, cool. This open source library. Okay. That's what we want. Sample projects? That's what we love to see. Well, this is this thing I already have. Then I'm gonna be disappointed. Disappointed. Police stations. Oh, import Google Maps details. Okay, maybe that's what I need. I wonder if I have it. Import Google Maps details. Perfect. Awesome. So it is there. Okay. So installing that gets me access to the data tree crap. Map view, renderer. Okay. Google Map utils. How the hell do I get that quad? Oh wait, no. Cool. Target. We got this. We got this. Displaying KML. Let's see, guys. How do I get? Okay. What does it use to like render it? GMU. G. Maybe like Google Maps dot something. Nah, this is gonna be too difficult. We're just gonna Google things. Get an API key. We're good here. Quad tree. Ah, here we go. This is what I should have been looking for. Following code creates a quad tree, then searches for all points within a given area. Okay. Create a quad tree with bounds. -2. Okay. So like down here or down here to here. Okay. Add 4 points to the tree. Search for items within this bounds. Okay. I'm trying to be flexible when it comes to this part of the application, because what I could also do is like right now I'm like, I guess this is a lot of behind the scenes work, as in user types in their address, then I'm gonna take it, gonna ask them how big of a radius they want, then take that to information and like feed it to this thing so it can spit out the data I need. Or I could use like the Google Maps, like an integrated thing where it's like the person can just select, and maybe a different, I guess what I'm trying to say is that maybe there's a different library that will give me the functionality I need, but it doesn't look like the way I'm currently thinking about it. Like maybe it's a bit more work. Well, I'm hoping it's a lot less work, but we shall see. Trying it out. We did this already. How many times we gotta do this? All right, the references. The classes and protocols into Google Maps SDK for iOS. All right, cool. A GMS address is a result from containing Reverse geocode. Okay. Oh, this is the thing, the geocoding API. Result from a reverse geocode. So I want the opposite of this though. Expose a service for reverse geocoding. Wait, reverse geocoding is what? A result containing a human readable address. I'm assuming a reverse geocode means, what do you call it? Geographic coordinates into human readable address. But I want to go human readable address to coordinates, then push those coordinates into like the bounds section, plus or minus 5 miles or something. Describes a building. Oh, point on the map, maybe. All right, GMS address. Let's see what it says about this. Containing a human readable address. This class is immutable and should be obtained via this guy. All right, perfect. That is what I need. Exposes a service for reverse. This maps coordinates to a collection of addresses near that coordinate. Sounds close to what we need. Exposes a service for reverse geocode. This maps Earth coordinates to a collection of addresses. I have places, I have my address. I need to turn it into that and then feed it into this guy. Okay. I need to write these things down. Okay. So we use Google Places. Output gets sent into Google, what is it? The GMS, I'll just use GMS geocoder. GMS geocoder class. Then I think that should spit out the list of addresses. I believe. Put question mark, not too sure. Okay. So the user types in their address, says I want to place, well, not even their address specifically, the address that they are interested in, their new place to live. Let's say they pick like Seattle, I guess. Seattle. They say 10 miles, 10-mile radius, from Seattle. Oh, I have that data. Now I want to, but then I guess my question or concern is like, how do we know what data, how does the range relate to the data that I have? Unless I like, I'm thinking, because each room has, what does each room have? Oh, a location. Each room has a location. So then I would go through every single room. This sounds really expensive in terms of time. Every room has a location. I say, hey, look through all of these rooms. Which one of these rooms fit into a particular area? Oh, yeah. And then it'll spit me out the results. Okay. I think, yeah, okay. I think I kind of get it. The geocoder is going to give me a range of like addresses. And then from there, I can like cross-reference it off the data that I have. or I guess I could say I filter it. I filter the data that I have based within the range given. Hey, default. Hey, yeah. Interesting. Damn, that sounds like O of n squared. But we'll see. I don't know. I feel like this is a common problem. So perhaps it's solved. We shall see. All right. Geocoder class. Convenience construction. Friends and related functions. Nice. What else is there? Oh, what about GMS service? Service class for the Google Maps SDK. Hey, thanks for coming. Class, all messages should be invoked on the main thread. Okay, interesting. Provide your API key. That's done. Service class. That's okay. I guess I don't think I need this. Doesn't seem relevant. Let's go back to the overview. Results. Superclass. Something with cameras. Don't care. Map view. Expose a service. This one we do need. I'll just open it up over there for myself later. Map view. Let's open that too. We're gonna go over map view in a sec. Mutable path, orientation. A collection of results. Let's get that one too, just in case. All right, cool. Settings for the UI. This is the main class of the Google Maps SDK for iOS, and is the entry point for all methods related to the map. Cool. The map should be instantiated via the convenience constructor. It may also be created with the default constructor. GS API can only be read and modified from the main thread, similar to all UI kit. Call these methods from another thread will result in exception or undefined behavior. Interesting. Animate properties. Convert between screen coordinates on latitude, longitude coordinates. Oh, cool. So that's how you, okay. Controls, selected marker. A lot of useful data here. I mean, for the future, not for what I'm looking for right now, but that is useful to keep in mind. Nope. Member functions. Stop rendering, start rendering, clear. Animate, bearing, friends and related function. Nope. All right. Map view doesn't seem too useful. Results, okay. Okay, interesting. All right. Well, at least we got some things today, which is getting the Google Places API working, which will allow us to, as the user, complete our profile page when inputting our address. Also, what do you call it? Oh, when you're looking for a new place, you'll be able to auto-complete it, so you don't have to be perfect. The geocoding API is going to give us the range. Well, we're going to input like a 5 mile or 10 mile radius. And then from that, we're going to get a collection of addresses that are like, this is within the range. Then we're going to reference that with the rooms available that we have, like, I guess my own database, my own data, cross-reference it, and then we'll finally be able to present the user with all relevant search results, I guess. Yeah, I think so. I'm a little scared about that last part, the cross-referencing / filtering process. But we'll see. We'll get there when we get there. Oh, I actually think that'll be a lot simpler. Because we could have two addresses. We could have the human readable location, then the longitudinal and latitudinal coordinate. The coordinates, and then the geocode response is just a giant list of coordinates. So then it's just about like cross-referencing from there. It's just numbers to number comparison. Huh, all right. I was kind of nervous for that. Now I feel a lot chill. All right, cool. I feel like I always have to go because I'm hungry. But I'm eating a lot small. Yeah, doesn't matter. I'm changing my diet, my eating habits, so kind of hungry, kind of slightly tired. There's some other stuff I gotta do too. So, adios, everybody. Let's see, Tuesday. I'm not gonna do Tuesday. I'm gonna stream Wednesday. Yeah, and I need to fill out the whole Twitch stuff so I can have a solid schedule. And then I have my book club coming up. Oh, geez. Then I have prepared for like Valentine's Day. Oh Lord. Okay. Bye, everyone.